Today we're 3D printing one of the cutest ghosts I've ever seen. The links to these files will be in the description below and they are free and they're made by La Calaveria, which I'm probably pronouncing wrong, but let's check out the 3D model. So this little chubby guy is cute as hell. Print in place, fully articulated, and then we've got two eyes that print off as well. They're actually different sized eyes, so make sure you get them the right way around. And for me, I am going to do a little bit of painting here, and you can see how this guy moves. Absolutely gorgeous. So what I've done is decided just to gloss up the eyes. I think it always gives the eyes a little bit more of a life to them. And then we're just, of course, going to glue them in place, and then that's it. We're done, because of course, printed off the rest of the ghost in white. So yeah, simple paint job here, no complexities to this. And as a result, we just simply leave it to dry and come back the next day. And here we are. So we're just going to go and glue these on. And like I say, make sure you get them the right way around because one eye is larger. So I first of all figured out which one's which and then went ahead and glued them in place. So this is gorgeous. And I have checked out another 3D print from this designer, which is a bat. And I've got a video on the channel on that too, which is also awesome. I'd also highly recommend this 3D model for newbies because it's extremely easy to print and you just need a little bit of infill or just a little bit of lightning infill, to be honest, to get it done, and it ended up coming out looking incredible. And of course you just need some white and black filament, and there you go, you've got your fully articulated little chubby cute ghost that just looks absolutely stunning. Very much enjoy the look of this, and yeah, really good. I think overall these two actually come together beautifully to make something that is lovely. Of course, it does have a flat back, which might put you off it, but I recommend that as not being a problem because of course it makes it very easy to print and you end up with an extremely cute baby ghost. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and I don't get many comments, so if you want to comment on the video, that would be awesome. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.